The new Sony Vaio S Series 13P is an important tweak to the previous Vaio S line, which I've reviewed twice before. The premium version I reviewed, the SVS13A190X, isn't cheap. It starts at $1,119, but then again, there are a host of improvements over the $1,050 Sony Vaio SA41FX that I reviewed less than 6 months ago. Sony has added a slot loading drive and a larger touchpad, more RAM is included, and the hard drive is larger. There are a new, faster Intel CPU, better Nvidia graphics, and an integrated battery, which gives much improved battery life over the previous generation's $150 slice battery add-on, sold separately and practically a requirement for good battery life the last go around. Granted, you can get a Vaio S for as little as $799, but not all Vaio models are made alike. To get Nvidia graphics and other bells and whistles, you'll need to pay up as a package deal at the high end. However, the Vaio S is both lightweight, £3.70, and full of features that I now expect in a laptop that's not an ultrabook. This is the laptop that I wanted the new 13-inch MacBook Pro to be: lighter, graphics boosted, with a higher screen. This Vaio S isn't a revolutionary machine, but it's finally a version of the Vaio S that makes no compromises and gets a leg up on Apple's 13-inch Pro in the process. The Sony Vaio S Series 13P is a high-end variation on the S line, a replacement for the small business targeted and confusingly named Vaio SA model from the last generation. The new Vaio looks similar in terms of its all matte black design and tapered footprint, but some of the laptop's lines are curved where they were previously angular. The Vaio S Series 13P comes in 3 color options: carbon black, carbon gold, and carbon gunmetal.